Hi everyone, we're just about to start second fixing on site, so should make some good progress this week. I've got our toilets here, so this week we're going to start putting in the shower, toilet, and the vanity units are going to go in there. I've got everything on site now, just in case that lockdown comes. Not that I think it will, but we just want to make sure we've got all the stuff so that we can actually finish this house regardless of the situation. And we've got a shower there, I've got our bath. Just ordering all the electrical stuff today. Gonna go and pick that up in a bit. These are the vanity units. We always put these in. No picture on that one. Get them from Victoria Plumbing. Can't go wrong really for the money. Delivery took a little while actually. Delivery was about a week and a half. And I think that's just because they can't get the stock, plus they're busy anyway, trying to get the stuff out. But this bathroom's going to go in tomorrow. As you can see, the carpenter's already come in and started fitting all the doors. So it's good to get them on so they don't get damaged or they don't start bowing, because there's obviously a lot of moisture in here from when we've been plastering and spraying. It's been pretty wet outside as well for a few days now, so there's a lot of moisture in the air. So some of these doors, they might, this one, definitely. It's just started catching at the top there already, look where it's swollen with the moisture, which is pretty normal. And I think that's part of the reason why the chippy just wanted to get them on, leave them for a few days while he does the kitchen, and then he'll go around and plane them all up. Loft hatches there, so loft hatch can go in. That'll obviously make the house a lot warmer. Get all the radiators today as well. We've got most of them here. We've got all of our skirting, all our architraves here. We had a good delivery last week. And all the kitchen is in. So that's going to start going in tomorrow. My son's just starting the plumbing. And we've got our electric garage door. That's all here. So we start fitting that. Got all of our appliances in. So we can start doing utility as well. This will all start going in the next few days. So pretty much this week, everything we've got on site will be fitted, and it'll all be in place. So son's just going to start putting the toilet in here. She's going to go in that little recess, and we've also got some sand on site. And we've got our paving slabs, although it doesn't look like they've quite delivered all of them. There should be a lot more than that, I think. Toilet's gone, so there's nothing left on site now. That's why I'm putting the toilet in today, so that any guys coming on site can get in and use the toilet, and they'll be able to wash their hands through the basin and stuff like that. So yeah, it's coming along. We'll get the garage door on this week, and the gas is all on now, so that's all gone. They've backfilled, or we backfilled down there because they left it open, but they've tarmacked all the road. All that's gone, so we just got all the slab in to do. One thing we are going to do pretty soon, probably next week when the weather's a little bit better, because it talks about quite a lot of rain this week, is we're going to rake all this and get this all ready for turf, because I think you can see the weeds start coming up pretty quick, even though we're now into October and things are slowing down, not really growing anymore as such. Weeds, just keep growing all the time. So we want to get that turf down while it's nice and moist. And I've had a couple of viewings on this already. Someone wants to come back and do a second viewing, but we just said, look, just come back when the kitchen's in, so you've got a bit better idea what it looks like. But I don't think this one will take too long to sell. Get someone around here on a nice warm sunny day, I just think it'll sell straight away, especially with the sun coming in through the skylight up there. It's just hard for people to visualise while the kitchen's just stacked up and it feels a bit sort of small in there at the minute, but once all that's fitted, it will open it all back up again, and then we can get rid of all the cardboard as well, keep it all tidy. And then just as we start doing all the tiling and finishing off little bits, it'll all come together. So we'll give you another update later on in the week.